Welcome to the Installing Your Mx12 webinar. In this webinar, we will go over unpacking and installation of your Mx12. To unpack your Mx12 dispenser, you will need a crescent wrench or half-inch socket wrench, a hammer or crowbar, and a forklift. In order to remove the Mx12 shipping box, we need to remove 4 planks. Use the back of a hammer or use a crowbar to pry the 4 planks from the cardboard. Once the 4 wooden planks are removed, lift the box straight up. It is easiest when done with 2 people. Next, remove the packing cover and shrink wrap. If you ordered a blade mixer, it is on the same pallet as the Mx12. The dispenser is still bolted to the pallet. There are 4 bolts on the underside of the pallet that need to be removed. To remove these 4 bolts on the underside of the pallet, we can use a crescent wrench or a half-inch socket wrench. With the Mx12 no longer bolted to the pallet, approach the Mx12 from the side with a forklift, slowly inserting the forks into the molded cavities. With the forklift, please make sure you support the full weight of the machine with the entire length of your fork. With the Mx12 on your forklift, place it as near as possible to your final location. The Mx12 dimensions are listed below. If you open the lower left access door, you will find a box that contains your barcode scanner. In this box, you will find software and driver CDs, as well as your barcode scanner. On the right-hand side of the Mx12, there is a barcode scanner dock. Please store the barcode scanner here when not in use. With our Mx12 in place, we can now connect the air, electricity, and internet. You will need a 1/4-inch male NPT air fitting with air hose, or hard piping capable of supplying 90 psi at 2 square cubic feet per minute. We will also need a 120 volt AC power source with a 2-pole, 3-wire groundings receptacle. For our internet, we will need an Ethernet cord with RJ45 end connected to your internet. It is recommended to wrap Teflon tape around the thread of the 1/4-inch NPT. A rear view of the Mx12 will reveal a pressure regulator on the right-hand side. The 1/4-inch NPT screws in here. Use a crescent wrench to tighten your 1/4-inch NPT air fitting. With your 1/4-inch NPT air fitting properly installed, please connect your air hose. Given that our air hose has proper pressure, we will now be able to adjust the pressure regulator to achieve proper pressure. Please pull up on the pressure regulator cap until you see an orange strip. Rotate the pressure regulator cap clockwise until you reach between 90 and 130 psi. When your pressure regulator gauge reads between 90 and 130 psi, press down on the cap. You have now successfully installed air pressure to the Mx12. The next step is to connect our internet. Please feed your Ethernet cable through this opening next to your pressure regulator. Open your lower left access door. Pull your Ethernet cable through the pressure regulator hole. Take the RJ45 end of your Ethernet cable and plug it to the Ethernet port on the back of the computer. The Ethernet port is labeled Ethernet. With our air and internet connected, we can now plug in our Mx12. A rear view of the Mx12 will reveal the power cord in the lower right-hand side of the machine. The cord is 6 feet long. Please make sure you have placed your machine within 6 feet of your nearest outlet.